guys, welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 of opening bricks. So we're gonna put these onto the platform. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like and comment. These are the ones that we're gonna put on the platform. These are mine and these are Pierre's. Shout out to Ninotchka for giving us this kit. So now we're gonna open it, so let's do it. Oh, this.
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna open it from here. Wait, here.
This could fit for my store. I could open that.
Here.
Oh.
So now we're gonna, this is gonna be loud. So.
You might want to skip that part, but yeah. Wait, it's already built to pieces?
There's smiley faces on the board. Oh no, I think this goes at the front. So then I'll say, remember to bring your bags at the front. Wait, fruit and veggies. Maybe we can find that later.
No, we need a bakery.
It's okay. Next time we'll get some. Maybe.
You say? Maybe? He found it behind his back.
What?
Countdown.
So let me show you. Wait, let me show you the front. Oh. Wait, put it here. Or here, the front.
You also have to put it here.
Why are you putting it up here?
Yes, we have to.
No, we don't.
Make the roof.
But this is.
Then how are we gonna cover when the thunderstorm?
It's okay.
We won't get any money. If we don't get money, we can't do it.
So this is the 360 of the building thing. So it's so cool. No, not yet. Put the sides first before doing it.
Why?
'Cause. Oh, sorry. We're almost finished. Finished the border, so now we're gonna put the stuff inside. So first, I'm gonna move this here. So I'm gonna face it here so then you guys can see. So you put your stuff in first.
No, you put your stuff in.
No, here. You don't put the rubbish bin there. Put the rubbish bin.
Can you put yours first?
No, I'll just watch you. I'll put my stuff then. I'll put all my stuff, yeah? And then you don't put yours? Are you gonna?
Put mine after.
Okay. So I don't want to put the bottom because it can get stuck at the bottom. So this is my aisle, okay? This is all Jamila's aisle. Jemila's aisle of food. What was that? So,
keeper saying,
hey, that's not that's your keeper, not my keeper. So first, I'm putting here. So we can also open the doors, as you can see. Oh, hello. I'm still finishing building this because I haven't finished building it. Put that there. There, okay. Where the foods are. Then I'm gonna put my fridges on the side here since there's
Look,
yeah.
another one.
What? Since there's lots, and then maybe later I'll get my other Legos that I've already collected and I'll put it in here. So I'm gonna put my other bricks that I've already collected and put them in here. Wait, let's maybe put my ones here. That's your one, okay. So I'm gonna
Mila, stop here. Stop here.
Yeah.
That's it. Because mine's gonna.
I'm ripping it off. I'm
Hey,
ripping.
where's my other? I used to have more of these.
You had 2 of them. I have 2 of them. So, putting that there. And there's another counter here. Ah, I love it! And then we're gonna put the countdown shopper. Oh, we can't open its legs. It's so sad. Oh. Wait. Huh?
And then they can walk there to get there. And then
Are these mine? Yeah, these are mine. Ooh, I have another special great prize. Okay, so now we're gonna find. Wait, I think that doesn't go on there.
Can Mila place you?
It's okay. So we're gonna put the fruit and vegetables on top of here. Let me show you. I'll show you the whole thing right now.
Mila, look, I put some.
Stop moving the table. But we still have more to go. Pierce stuff. Wait. Oh, I'll put these at the back. What?
I'm sending you a message.
So, and then, is this the bakery? Yeah, the bakery. I just saw a cat. No, put your fridges up. Put your fridges.
Can we just put a
Oh, yeah.
fridge in one fridge?
I'll put a space here. No, I'll put it here. Okay. Then one there, and then
Let's make the castle what we made in the
Pierre,
part one.
don't keep moving the table, or else it's gonna everything's gonna fall. Here, hold it.
Now it's the Omega.
Omega. And then I'm gonna go get my other Lego bricks while Pierre's gonna show you, and he's gonna put his stuff there. So I'm gonna go, Pierre. I'm gonna go. I already have that. Okay. I have a trolley, so I can put, and I also have a donation bag, so I can put all the tiny fruits. In part 1, I collected these, and I can put them in. I'll get that later. In the trolley.
tallest tower ever. Let's wait and see. It's even bigger than yours.
Alright, yeah. So, I have this free fruit thing that I also got, and I'm gonna put it here. Wait, I'm going to put it there. So, we're putting our trolleys, we're stacking them for some reason. And where do I want to put it?
It should be right in this corner.
Ah, okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
But except
I'm gonna show you.
this.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna show you around it, so I'll show you a tour of Countdown. This is what it looks like, and now I'm gonna show you a tour of Countdown. So first, you're gonna walk through here, and welcome! So first, we have the people. They are very, very nice. No, don't put the trolleys there. Cut! Okay, so we're gonna put the trolley. Okay, so these are where the trolleys go. So you can see the baskets and the trolleys here. Then there are the free fruits here, and the ladies are very nice, and the checkouts. Then we have the organics. We have the odd bunches, the fruit and vegetables, and I have no idea what this one is. Yes. Oh wait. I don't know what these are, special price, whatever. Yeah. Then we have the aisle with the foods and stuff where you buy it. And the trash can all the way here. And then we have the fish and and we have more fish. Then we got the bakery where you can make pizzas. Then as you can see, on the back it says electric charging. So you put your electric things in here.
And this is where you park.
And this is where you park.
That's what I just said.
And there's pharmacy. So yeah. So that's it for part 2 for the bricks. We had so much fun right here. And make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like and comment. See you guys next time. Bye.